Hi dear little ones, welcome back to the GK class. Today we are going to discuss about three topics. First one, domino maths. Second one, some famous Indians. Third one, some facts about our India. Okay, let's look. All of you take your textbook page number 15. Dear children, do you know dominoes game? Do you hear? Yes? Let's look. What is dominoes? What is dominoes? Yes, dominoes is a game played with small rectangular blocks. Dominoes is a game played with small rectangular blocks. The dots representing the numbers will be curved on face. Here we are using it for just to study addition and subtraction. Okay? I just show one example. Then you do the rest of the activities. Okay? All of you look here. How many dots here? How many dots here? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you write here 8. Plus, then look next rectangular block. Then count how many dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then write here 10. Okay dear children. Then add these two numbers 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10? Yes, 18. 18. Then write here 18. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, next one. Color the picture. Dear children, what is Bunny looking at? What is Bunny looking at? Join the dots using the multiplication tables of 2 and 3. Then color the picture. Okay? This is a homework. Okay? Dear children, all of you look at the page number 16. Please take page number 16. Here are some famous Indians. Let's look. Okay, let's look some famous Indians. First one, Virat Kohli. I think everyone know him. Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer. He is regarded as one of the best batsmen in the world. Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer. He is regarded as one of the best batsmen in the world. Okay? Okay, let's look next one. Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is an Indian playback singer. Okay, let's look third one. Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist. Fourth one, Birju Maharaj. Birju Maharaj. Birju Maharaj is an Indian Kathak dancer. Birju Maharaj is an Indian Kathak dancer. Okay? Let's look next one. Vidya Balan. Vidya Balan is an Indian actress. She was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2014. Okay? Let's look next one. Sumit Nagal. Sumit Nagal. Sumit Nagal is an Indian tennis player. He is an Indian tennis player. Okay, let's look seventh one. Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar is an Indian sitar player. Ravi Shankar is an Indian sitar player. Eighth one. Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. Okay, last one. M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain is an Indian painter. M.F. Hussain is an Indian painter. Okay, do you understand? Some famous Indians. Okay, let's look next topic. Okay, all of you take page number 17. I love my India. I love my India. Here give some facts about our India. Let's look. First one. The National Library in Kolkata is the largest library in India. The National Library in Kolkata is the largest library in India. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ലൈബ്രറിയാണ് കൊൽക്കത്തയിലുള്ള നാഷണൽ ലൈബ്രറി. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ. ഇന്ത്യ ഹാസ് ദി ലാർജസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് പോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫീസസ് ഇൻ ദി വേൾഡ്. ലോകത്തിൽ തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫീസുകൾ ഉള്ളത് ഇന്ത്യയിലാണ്. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ. ബുലാൻ ദർവാസ ഇൻ ഫത്തേപൂർ സിക്രി നിയർ ആഗ്ര is one of the largest gateways in the world. ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ കവാടങ്ങളിലൊന്ന് ആഗ്രക്കടുത്തുള്ള ഫത്തേപൂർ സിക്രിയിലെ ബുലാൻ ദർവാസയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ. റിവർ ഗംഗ ഈസ് ദി ലോങ്സ്റ്റ് റിവർ ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ഏറ്റവും ലോങ്സ്റ്റ് റിവർ ഏതാണ്? യെസ്, ഗംഗ. ദി ഗംഗ. Okay, next one. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. ലോകത്തിലെ 7 അത്ഭുതങ്ങളുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? അതിൽ ഒരു അത്ഭുതമാണ് താജ്മഹൽ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ താജ്മഹൽ സ്ഥിതി ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയിലാണ്. Okay, let's look next activity. Match the following. How much do you know about India? Match the columns and find out. First one, symbol of rupee. Which is the symbol of rupee here? Yes, B. Please match B. Symbol of rupee. Okay. Second one, desert. Desert, Marubhumi. Desert. Any desert name here? Yes, Thar. Thar desert. Please match Thar. Dear children, do you know the Thar desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert? Okay. Next one. Number of states. Number of states. How many states in our country? Yes, 28. Please match 28. Next, capital of India. Capital of India. Yes, New Delhi. New Delhi is capital of India. Next one, Union Territory. What is Union Territory? Yes, a union territory is a type of administrative division in the Republic of India. A union territory is a type of administrative division in the Republic of India. Do you know any union territory's name? Yes, Chandigarh. Chandigarh. How many union territories in our country? Yes, 8 union territories in our country. Let's look next one. Language. Language. Bhasha. Any language name here? Yes. Dogri. Dogri. Dear children, Dogri is a northern Indo-Aryan language. It is also spoken in the state of Himachal Pradesh and in northern Punjab region, other parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, dear children, let's wind up the lesson. Okay? Please do these activities in your textbook and notebook also. Dear children, all of you take your GK notebook and write these activities in your notebook. Okay? Okay, dear children, all of you read the textbook carefully and find out the answer and write the answer in your notebook very neatly. Okay? Okay, dear children, it is time to finish the class. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.